What's up folks, Speaker here, welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video that's going to be about sniping in Team Fortress 2. I've been working really hard these days on becoming a better sniper. It's kind of my goal for when that matchmaking competitive update comes over to Team Fortress 2, which I hope is going to come to Team Fortress 2. I want to be able to jump into competitive as a sniper. And I've been working really damn hard and finding a lot of new things out, testing a lot of mice, a lot of settings, a lot of loadouts. I mean, tons of shit, pretty much. And I'm pretty sure that I can save you a lot of time on helping you to become a better sniper like I'm doing. I'm by no means a great sniper. I'm getting decent. I'm good, but I'm not fantastic. But I want to become it fantastic. So stick with me if you two, you're into this kind of thing, and let's do this together. It'll make everything easy. So this might be the first part of a more basic tutorial for sniping, and I might get into more specifics later on. But here's a few things that I do and that I found out. First thing first, if you want to snipe in game and you want to be good, you want to be consistent, you have to have a decent mouse, a decent gaming mouse. It's just the way things are. You can't play with one of those old ball mice, you know? It's just not consistent, it's not precise. And sure, I mean, there's those urban legends of people that play with like an old 1985 mouse with like a... No, it's bullshit, man. You have to have proper gear to be able to snipe properly. It's the first thing that you should kind of look into. You don't need to buy an expensive mouse, okay? I used to play with Rocat Cone XTD, and that thing was fucking expensive. It has a bunch of lights, it had like shitloads of like weird programs inside. Like there's this dude that would yell like 1000 DPI whenever you change DPI. It was stupid. It was fun kinda, but it's like a toy in a way. There's no point in paying so much for something that's not even that great. I mean, the sensor wasn't fantastic. It was a comfortable mouse, but there's a lot better and a lot cheaper out there. Nowadays, what I've found as the best mouse I've ever used, and the one that I'm gonna stick to from now on, I've finally done it after so many tests, the Zoe FK1 optical competitive mouse. It's just a fantastic tool. It has an amazing Avago 3310 optical sensor, which is pretty much the best thing that you can get today on the market. It's a simple, sleek design. It's comfortable as fuck. It's not too heavy. The cord is perfect. It's simple. There's no drivers to install. It's plug and play. So there's like no interference with there's nothing going on in between you and the mouse. The mouse is there, everything's built into it, the DPI is built into it, you can switch between several DPI settings there. There's no lights, there's no like bells and whistles. It's a simple ass great gaming mouse. It's ambidextrous too, so if you're left-handed, you can get that. But don't be worried. I know some of you right-handed people are like, oh my god, it's ambidextrous, there's buttons on the other side. Yes, but they don't get in the way. I promise they don't get in the way. I was the same way. I was really skeptical of that. They're perfect. It's a great fucking mouse. I used to play also with a Razer Death Adder Chroma. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it at all. It just didn't feel right in my hand. It wasn't my thing, you know. I know a lot of people only swear by Razer, but I'm done with Razer, man. I just can't. It feels too much like a I don't know. You just can't compare the Zoe to the Razer. It's just not in the same realm. Besides the Zoe brands, there's also like Final Mouse, which is pretty damn good. I've heard that they have some quality control issues, but if you can get your hands on one and everything seems fine, there's no like scratches and dings and stuff on it, it should be fine. They also use amazing, great sensors. I mean, Steel Series 2 also makes some pretty damn good mice. You get Myonix Caster is a new mouse that came out that's really good. And you know what's so great about these great competitive mice is that they're not that expensive. The Zoe I got for 60 bucks, whereas the Rocat XTD Cone I bought for like 100 bucks like when I got it. So yeah, you don't need to spend a fortune on a good gaming mouse, but it is the tool that you're going to be using every single time you snipe. So you need to have a good gaming mouse. Alright, so we're inside of Team Fortress 2, and I'm going to show you a little bit of my sensitivity settings right now for the mouse. My mouse is currently set at 800 DPI when I play Sniper, sensitivity is set to 1.10, and have raw input checked. Do not want to not have raw input checked. Definitely keep this checked. It's very important. It's going to use the direct software from your mouse, or it's not going to go through like Windows and use like mouse acceleration in Windows. It's supposedly only supposed to use like the config of the mouse, and so you will have a better, more precise experience. Mouse acceleration, have that unchecked. It's just the worst thing ever. It means like the faster you move your mouse, the further your mouse is going to go on the screen, and it's just horrible. It's inconsistent. It's you should never use that. There are like legends of people, like competitive snipers, that use that. I really can't imagine that being true. I mean, just don't use it. Don't use it. It's bad, very bad. And one other thing that you could do is here in the console, for hit scan weapons, you can write this CL_interp 0.033. I find that this setting really helps with the hit registration with hit scan weapons. You can also add, you can try CL interp ratio, underscore on there, ratio 1. And usually that will also help with hit scan weapons. It's kind of a personal preference afterwards for like interp ratio. Like some people prefer to have it on 2. I prefer it on 1, and 0.033 I find is a pretty good setting for all hit scan weapons. Yeah, just pop that in there when you enter in game, or you can configure your auto config file, but I'll show you that in like a different video. This is gonna get too complicated otherwise. So yeah, make sure you have a sensitivity that works for you, and especially you need to keep that sensitivity. You need to keep your DPI the same. You need to keep your in-game sensitivity in Team Fortress 2 the same, because every time you change it, you're fucking up your entire muscle reflexes. You're screwing it all up pretty much. You're gonna have to relearn everything all over. So find your perfect settings and stick to it. Just stick to it. Believe me, it'll be worth it. You'll regret changing it. Last thing what we're gonna do is gonna find out how you can train to become a better sniper out of regular servers. Now this is called TR Walkway. It's a map that you can download. You just have to stick the map file into your map folder for Team Fortress 2, load it up, and that's about it. And then you can pretty much choose anything you want. You can do so much stuff with this. You have bots that just come through, and you practice aiming at them or doing whatever the hell you want to them. It's a great tool. I use it all the time to train, to practice, just to warm up to sometimes. It's really fantastic. I'm going to show you how you can install it, and I'm sure you'll figure out the rest for yourself. Installing this map is actually pretty damn simple. All you have to do is head over to this website right over here. I'll put the link down in the description below. Click on download. It's gonna download. You need to open this up with either like WinRAR or 7-zip, and close that thing. Right. All you need to do is take this file right there, and you just need to extract it over to your map folder. It's the BSP file. Yeah. So just head down there to wherever you've installed Team Fortress 2. Most of the time it's Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Team Fortress 2. Here it is. TF. And then head over into Maps. There it is. Right there. And just stick it in the map folder, regular map folder. And that's it. Just say, well, yeah, I've already done it, of course, so I don't need to do it again. You just proceed, then you close all this stuff up, and you're pretty much good to go. Alright, once you start up Team Fortress 2, you need to go click on Create Server. It's going to be the same name, my HUD's different, so it looks different, that's all. And select TR Walkway. Down in the list, click on Start, and that's it. It'll launch. Sometimes when you jump into TR Walkway, there's this annoying bug where no bots will spawn, and all you have to do is type something into the console that should show up on the screen right now, and just type that in exactly how it is. I'll write it down in the description below so you can just like copy paste it if you need, and that should always fix the problem. It's not a big deal, it's just, I'm not exactly sure why it happens. You just copy paste that and it's good. Right, but that's about it. Hey, this is the end of the first part of the sniping tutorial kind of thing. I hope it was useful. I'm probably going to make a more in-depth, as in sniper technique video sometime in the future. Yeah, I just hope that it'll help you guys out like it helped me. Thanks a lot for watching. Definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you thought, if it was useful, if you have any suggestions of other classes even, or just how to do pretty much anything in Team Fortress 2. I'm open. Thanks a lot. Give me a like and a subscribe if you think I deserved it. And I'll see you all very soon. Thanks. Speaker signing off.